ocean is big. There are many fish in the ocean. There are big fish. There are small fish. There are fat fish and slow fish. The big fish eat the small fish. The fat fish eat the slow fish. The fishermen catch all the fish. The people eat all the fish.
Very good. Clap your hands for Juliana.